Do you have social anxiety?
No.
Do you have no friends?
No, what the fuck?
Or are you just caught in a mass epidemic which could lead to world destruction?
That escalated quickly.
If you answered yes to any of these three questions,
though.
you're in luck, because I'm gonna show you how to take pictures by yourself when you have no friends, or when the virus is spreading around the world and trying to kill us. Yay!
Oh no, not one of these again.
Not jokes aside, it's Brandon, Josh, or Brandon Josh. Make sure to follow my Instagram. It's probably here but not here, so yeah, I don't know why I'm pointing up here, because it's here. Anyways, I'm gonna show you how to take pictures by yourself. This is a different camera. I'm gonna use my own phone to like take the pictures, and I'm gonna like film the whole process. I'm not going that far because we all know the coronavirus is spreading and we don't want any contact with any other person. Otherwise you're gonna get it as well. So quick outfit change. I just threw on a vest, but all you're gonna need for this photo shooting is a tripod where you can like mount your phone onto, because I'm not gonna use the camera, I'm gonna use this phone to take the pictures. Then you're gonna need an outfit. I mean, you can't see my outfit right now, but I'm gonna show you the pictures afterwards. And I made these beanies, so yeah, I hope I can get some cool pictures with them. And if you want to see how I make these, just follow my Instagram, as I said before. And make sure to like this video, comment down below, let me know what you think about this idea. I know it's a bit controversial, but I don't care. I just want to get this out here. I want to show more humor, because what's the point of being like depressed and shit like that. And make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications. Without further ado, let's head out. Let's go. So yeah, now we're outside. I just looked around in our like neighborhood. I just found this like trashy spot, like it's mostly secluded. It's like really important to stay away from other people at this point of time, but yeah, I'm gonna just take pictures here. And yeah, make sure to always stay safe during this period, because yeah, we never know if we also could like, I could also get like the virus or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna just take some pictures here. I'm gonna set up the camera, and yeah, I'm gonna show you the whole process. So yeah, here's the camera, here's the tripod. I'm just gonna set it up right in front. And what's also important is make sure you have like a remote control, like a Bluetooth remote control, which connects to the phone, so that you don't have to always get up and like put in a timer. So yeah, that's a big plus. That's a big plus if you're shooting by yourself. First outfit, just gonna throw on the beanie. Make sure if you want to cop this, check out my Instagram or my TikTok, you can text me there. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the photo shoot. I hope I don't look stupid, so...
Pause. Hold up. I don't care if I look stupid. I look fly as hell. No, I'm just kidding.
I think these masks also fit the situation, so yeah. Make sure to also always check what you're shooting, so not that you're taking like 1,000 pictures and like none of them are good. I'm actually also gonna change my angle, so yeah. Got some fire ass shots through this. It's so sick. And now that I'm finished with the full body shots, I'm gonna just do some face shots, like putting more emphasis on the mask, because at the end of the day I'm gonna post these on Instagram. I need everything. And remember, in a video it's always important to be a bit more far away, because you can anyways always crop it, especially for like portrait mode videos, especially for Instagram. You can always crop it, you can always zoom in. Make sure to always get 2 shots, because then you can like see which one you like best. So yeah, the first shot was actually pretty cool, but I'm gonna do it again, so yeah, hopefully the second one will be better. So yeah, the second shot was much better. I'm actually learning a lot by shooting by myself, because it's like very different from like other people taking pictures of you. So yeah, on to the second beanie. So for the second beanie, I'm gonna use the jacket. I'm gonna give it a bit more of red tones. Maybe it will match the pink. I don't know, I'm not sure, probably not, but let's see. But yeah, I'm gonna blend them in afterwards. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Here's a good piece. As I said before, if you want to copy it, just hit me up on Instagram. Okay, I think I'm gonna take the jacket off, so yeah. Well, that didn't turn out nice.
Look at this dude.
I'm gonna blend it in here. So now I'm gonna make the video and then I'm gonna tune in again. Battery is almost dead. So I'll see you after the shooting. So, just finished shooting. It went pretty well. I also learned a lot by shooting by myself. It's so cool to like see what else you can like learn by doing this by yourself, because I did new things which I wouldn't have done with another person. And yeah, I'm gonna show you the footage at home. So let's head inside. So yeah, we're back here. I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it, because I did. I actually enjoyed taking pictures by myself, and it was a new experience. I learned new things, I tried out new things, and like I'm gonna like showcase the pictures right here. You can see what I've created with just taking pictures with just a tripod and a phone. I mean, I got this tripod on AliExpress, so it's not that expensive, and you have to just take the time for yourself. And I hope this video actually could help you do that by yourself. As I said before, telling by myself so many times. But anyways, thank you to a fellow follower on Instagram for this idea. I'm gonna blend it in here, like who told me to do this, because especially nowadays I guess, especially now with this whole virus thing and everything, we have to like isolate, and that's really important. And it's always also important to always wash your hands and to not have so much social contact, and that can lead you to either boredom or creativity. And yeah, I'm gonna link the creativity video right here if you feel like watching that. I hope you enjoyed this video as well. So yeah, I'm just talking, I'm just rambling. But anyways, I'm also gonna make a 500 subscriber special. Thank you so much for 500 subscribers, but I'm making a video on that. Stay tuned for that as well. And let me also know which beanie you like more. If you like the pink bandana beanie more or the ice blue, sky blue bandana more. Let me know in the comments down below, and let me know on Instagram as well. I'm also gonna do a poll. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna post those pictures as well. Probably I've already posted them before posting this video, so yeah, make sure to follow my Instagram as well. I'm gonna blend it in here or here, I don't know, but it's definitely not up here. And yeah, if you like this video, leave a like, obviously. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this idea. I hope that I could help you in any way. And yeah, subscribe and turn on the bell notifications. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Peace.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for 500 subscribers. That's like enough to fill a plane, according to Google or YouTube. Yeah, I even got an email from Google congratulating me to the 500 subscriber milestone. And yeah, I'm gonna make a cool video about that as well. And yeah, beats also made by a fellow friend of mine, Zeno, and a dude from Instagram called Will. Thank you so much for the beats. They make the videos so much better to watch. So yeah, much love. Peace.